mask at home, you need some material, and then you need something to measure it with. So I have this quilting thing. You may have a yardstick, a tape measure. You're going to cut 2 pieces of material, 6" by 9". 2 different pieces of material, because one's going to be the front of your mask and one's going to be the side facing you. You're going to cut either ribbon or some kind of ties, about 8 inches, 2 pieces, or 2 pieces of elastic if you're lucky enough to have elastic. The next stage, you're going to take your elastic or your ribbon and you're going to clip it inside the corner of your 2 materials. Your materials, the good sides are going to face each other. I have these little binder clips. It's very handy. And then you want it to go, your ribbon or elastic is inside, then you're clipping it to the other side, just like that. Then you're doing the same thing on the other side. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take those 2 pieces and you are going to start sewing. So you're going to sew maybe starting here, and you're going to go around here. You're going to back up at the corner and kind of get your elastic firm in there. You're going to turn your needle, your material, so you go then this side. You're going to go around here, do the same thing. I like to back up around the corners. You're going to want to make sure that your elastic or ribbon is not getting caught as you're sewing it. You want to push over this way, so it's kind of like this as you're sewing. Then you've done here, you go around here, you get to this corner. Again, you're going to go back and forth over the corner a little bit. You're going to make sure you're not sewing your elastic or ribbon, and then besides the corners. And then you're going to go here. You're going to stop and leave a gap of about 1.5 inches, 2 inches, so that you could turn this inside out like a pillow. And then when you do that, you're going to wind up with something like this. So your ribbon or elastic is going to be on the outside. Then you're going to have this opening. You need to sew that little opening, and I like to sew it very close to the end of the material. So you're not going to use like a 1/4 inch seam. You're going to do it as close as you can to the end so it doesn't fray. So it's basically going to look like this. I'm liking this material. Then you're going to finger pleat it. So I start at one end and I just kind of fold it, fold it, fold it. Then I sew it. And then I do the same thing to the other side. Fold, fold, sew, and there you go. Got a mask.